Welcome back to Ask Amanda Anything mini-series, where I take some of the top business and marketing questions I'm asked in my Upswing Mastermind program for health coaches and share them with you so that you can grow your healthy, wealthy coaching business too. Today's question is, hi Amanda, how do I use social media to market my health coaching business? I'm posting all the time on Facebook, but I'm not getting any clients. What's wrong? Perhaps am I overgiving? What a great question, huh? So firstly, beautiful, I'd hedge the bet that the reason you're not getting clients is most likely nothing to do with giving away too much free content or sharing too much. That's highly unlikely. So rest assured, I give away a lot of my best content for free. It's unlikely that that's where things are going wrong. It's more likely to be because you're not talking about your coaching services, letting people know that you take on clients, sharing testimonials, sharing results, talking about the benefits of your program, and directly inviting people to book in a discovery session with you. This is something we get a little scared about. We are overgiving and giving a lot of value, but we forget to ask people to work with us, and we assume that they'll just reach out on their own accord. So this is the most important thing that you actually need to do to get clients. You need to remember to ask. So one way of looking at this that I teach in my Upswing Mastermind program is to try a 5-to-1 or a 10-to-1 ratio of value giving versus strictly promotional content. So for every 5 or 10 posts that you give out of the goodness of your heart and education for other people, make sure that you are remembering to put up your hand and promote yourself. Otherwise, you're not really in business. I find that a lot of new health coaches really resist the sales and self-promotion aspects. It can actually feel like we're doing that when we're putting ourselves out online, but do an audit. Have you actually been directly telling people about your coaching program? Have you been directly explaining to them what it would take them from struggling with to what outcome? And have you been asking them to book a call with you? If you don't ask and proudly talk about your services, you won't get clients. But don't worry, it takes practice. We've all got to start somewhere. So get in the game and see how it goes. So what I'm saying is let's start embracing self-promotion, leaning in a little bit more, and include these key promotional posts when you share on social media. Testimonials, results, showing the benefits of your programs, and inviting people directly for a session to explore working with you. Do it proudly. This is going to serve not only your clients, but you when you start to bring in income in your health coaching business. This episode of Ask Amanda Anything was taken from the most popular questions I get asked in my Upswing Mastermind program, which is the ultimate 6-month business experience where I support new health coaches to build their clients, cash flow, and confidence. To help you get started right away with your own health coaching business, I've put together a free Healthy Wealthy Biz book packed with 10 case studies of wellness entrepreneurs who made a great living in their first 6 to 12 months in business. Download the ebook now for expert marketing tips to find out how they did it. I've dropped the link below this video. Grab your copy now. And if you found this Ask Amanda Anything video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. I love to hear your thoughts and takeaways. Please leave your thoughts below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next Ask Amanda Anything episode.